Hi, I'm just leaving you the video. How did I cook the ossobuco in this pot? It's a very heavy one, very nice to cook with. Because we're just 3 people at home, I just split it to the recipe. I did the first part of it with to eat it with the potatoes and salad, and the other part of it I got it here, which I'm gonna cut it, and with the sauce I'm gonna make some rigatonis. So I will leave you the video down here for the ossobuco, and also leave you the video for this one in the next video. So let's gonna make it. We are going to start cooking our rigatonis. These ones are 14 minutes, so this is the time we got. On the other side, I will take my ossobuco from the sauce and I will cut it. You can also shred it, as it was a low and slow cook, so you have both options. And I will remove a little bit of this membrane, so this kind of fat it has, because for the pasta it will not look that nice. Yeah, it's also not nice. Yeah, just remove and cut small pieces. Yeah, like you see, they are kind of small. The ones you can easily eat. Yeah, together with the pasta. So I will continue here, just cutting my half of the ossobuco I reserved from yesterday's video, and let's continue. This is just easy. Our sauce, as you may see, is just prepared, was done yesterday. We are just gonna add a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and that will make it. Yeah, look, it's just easy. You see how easy it gets cut. You can do it also by hand, but it's easier with a knife this time. So let's continue. So our rigatonis are looking good. They still need like 8 minutes around. We are ready here. Look. Look at this. Now we are just gonna finish it up with Parmigiano. Let's make it. Yeah. And we are gonna just mix it all together. Remember that our sauce had everything we needed. This is an extra touch for the pasta, that everything had salt, cheesy, and nice taste. So look at this. Now we're gonna let it cook a little bit more. Just look perfect for our sauce. So let's go. And now this is a key point in Italian kitchen, l'acqua di cottura, which means the cooking water of the pasta, which is always being used in the sauce. Yeah, l'acqua di cottura is very, very important. Yeah, this is it will give you the consistency that you need. The sauce, you will see it now. Yeah, now we proceed with our sauce. We will add our sauce. Yeah, we're going to start mixing it, and then we're going to add slowly a little bit of the acqua di cottura, this cooking water, and you're gonna mix it, and it will get the consistency. You will see when you make it. This is the way you do carbonara and stuff. There's all these pastas there with the acqua di cottura, which is a key point in Italian kitchen while cooking pasta. So you add all your sauce on here, and then you will adjust it with the water. Yeah, and then you just have to serve it, top it with some Parmesan, and just enjoy this very easy dinner. Yeah, I hope you like it. If you are so far to here, hit that thumb up button. There are a bunch of videos for different ideas to cook. If you are looking pork, vegetarian, meat, paellas, fish, there's a big menu for you to get some ideas in your kitchen. So I hope you like it. Take care and cheers. See you in the next video.